Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to solve this question. But before starting the solution, like the video and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe it. Let's begin to solve the question. The question is, what is the value of log 5 to the power 3 plus log 20 to the power 3 plus log 8 into log 0.25? How can we solve this? We know that log 10 is equal to 1 and we can write log 10 is log 5 into 2 equal to 1. By using log property we can write this as log 5 plus log 2 equal to 1. Let log 2 is equal to x, so log 5 will be equal to 1 minus x from here. Now log 20 will be equal to log 10 into 2, and by using log property this is equal to log 10 plus log 2, and log 10 is 1 and log 2 is x, so log 20 is equal to 1 plus x. Now for log 8 we can write this as log 2 to the power 3, and by using log property 3 log 2 and log 2 is x, so log 8 is equal to 3x. And next is log 0.25. We can write this as log 25 by 100. Simplify this and we can write log 1 by 4, and this is equal to log 2 to the power minus 2, and by using log property minus 2 log 2 and log 0.25 is equal to minus 2x. Now we will put values in this, all these values in the question. So log 5 whole cube will be equal to 1 minus x whole cube. Log 20 is 1 plus x, so 1 plus x whole cube. Then log 8 is 3x into minus 2x. Simplify this. 1 minus x whole cube is equal to 1 minus x cube minus 3x plus 3x square. Similarly 1 plus x cube whole cube will be equal to 1 plus x cube plus 3x square and minus 6x square. Minus 3x is cancelled with this plus 3x, x cube is cancelled with this minus x cube, 3x square and 3x square, this is 6x square and it's cancelled with minus 6x square. So the answer is 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2, and the correct answer is option C. Like the video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.